Hey YouTube, how you doing? Well, today's review is going to be a little different, okay? Yeah, it's going to be beard oil, and I know you already know which one because you already clicked on that link and title and everything else to get in here, but give me my little moment, alright? You guys ever watch like a YouTube video and you go, wow, I want to try that out? Today's video is because of something just like that. So stay tuned after we roll the intro, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about that beard oil. Alright, all you viewers to be named later, I want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to take one moment to speak to you before we kick off the fun that is this channel. I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for finding this video. Seriously. It means the world to me that you're watching this one because I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very flattered that you chose mine. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers of the channel who have yet to subscribe, here's your first chance. Look right down below. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Man, go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. You're going to want to knock it out the way early because, trust me, man, we're having a lot of fun here. We're growing. And I like to attribute this channel to like a burning clown car. You never know what you're going to get in every single video, but damn sure it's interesting. Alrighty, guys. As you saw by that opening, it's long past due to get them here. Barker's Beards is on the channel. Now, I found these guys, seriously, because of Bearded Motivation. Not gonna lie. He does a great show every single Saturday, live streamed on YouTube. It's called Saturday Night Hype. I guess it was like a special episode because he had a whole bunch of people joining him live, and at one point he had 3 different beard companies. One of them was Barker's Beards. They stood out instantly because the first thing Caleb did was recall a story about when his son was playing t-ball or something like that, and the umpire had a beard, and his son looks at the ump and he goes, "You need to buy beard oil from my daddy." I was like, damn, that is cool. And it got to a point later on where everyone was talking, and Caleb was like, hold up. Am I the only Southerner here? All the rest of you are damn Yankees? I was like, I want to buy from him. Right there, I really wanted to buy from him because I'm like, I've got to support a good old boy out of Tennessee. That just had me dying with laughter. It really, truly did. Now, you can find them over at www.barkersbeards.com. Like I said, Caleb Barker is, the owner, and he basically does everything. He's kind of a one-man show, and trust me, man, this guy's word is his bond. He said something to me recently and, another Saturday Night Hype, and I was like, okay, if it happens, that's cool. Then another one happened, and he's like, hey, Chris, this will be in your current order. I'm like, damn, Caleb. So that impressed me. They are made here in the USA out of Troy, Tennessee. Now, if I've got this right, they got their start with doing stuff about November 2018, so happy anniversary, Caleb. Seriously, 1 year in business, bro, that's great. From what I understand, they didn't have a web store or anything else until recently because he was really unsure if his products were going to do well, products were going to do whatever. And he started getting them out to people. People started placing orders, and he's like, hey, maybe I've got something here. So it's only recently that like a Facebook page and a web store and everything else has gone public. So good on you, man. You're moving forward with what you've got that I've tried. You're onto something, bro. Seriously, you really, truly are. Now, if you can't tell by the name Peppermint Twist, the scent profile on this one, basically it's peppermint candy. It really, truly is. Oh, man. Seriously, it's like you open up that wrapper to that candy and that blast that you get right away, that's this. Basically, it's peppermint with a little touch of vanilla. Now, the scent strength, it stays medium the whole time that I've worn it, and it's lasted in about 6 to 8 hours in my beard. Made my beard smell good, felt great in my beard. It really, truly did. It wasn't one of those you start to dry out, you start to be like, after. No. It was freaking phenomenal. I still love it. I'm seriously saying this is one of the most underrated companies that I've tried so far. Hands down. And if it hadn't been for Bearded Motivation Saturday Night Hype, I probably wouldn't have discovered them. But I don't care. I have, and I'm hooked. Now, the ingredients in this guy are jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, essential and fragrance oils. It comes in a 1 ounce blue bottle with the little eyedropper top. And They're pretty good tops. Seriously. And there's the oil for you guys who care, and there it is going. It's basically a medium weight oil to me. You know, it's not really light and runny down your freaking hand, but you know, it's not like motor oil consistency. This is going to run you $12 on his web store. But here's a kicker, okay? He offers all kinds of deals. Now, with this one, you can do an oil and butter combo for $20 or an oil and balm combo for $20. I will tell you, it's going to get its own review on its own. I have used the beard butter. It's a beautifully whipped butter that isn't just cool whippy type, for lack of a better phrase. It still has a great hold to it, great consistency. Feels just incredible in your beard and just adds something along the way. Okay. Now we got that out the way. Let's get on to the fun part. Man, if you're unfamiliar with the uses of beard oil, that's okay. That's why we're out here watching YouTube, right? We're trying to, you know, gain knowledge. Its first big use, because it's got three, is it's a vitamin supplement for your skin underneath your beard. I know, mind-boggling. Beard oil is not really for your beard, it's for your skin under your beard. It's going to provide it nutrients, it's going to provide it supplements, it's going to provide everything you're going to need to help that hair growing out nice, luxurious, and beautiful. You doubt me? Go a couple days without showering. Your head is going to be incredibly greasy, and this is going to be dry, brittle, and just nasty. Seriously, it really is. Your beard hair is different than your head hair, and you've got to help it along and help it go and to keep it growing great. Second thing it's going to do is it's going to help soften up that beard hair. I mean, dude, I'm telling you, nothing's going to make you shave your beard quicker than your better half going, I'm not touching that face. Nope. Get rid of that beard. Nope. It's going to soften it up and make them want to come in and be like, hey, that's kind of cool. Yeah, it's kind of sweet. The third great thing that it does is that scent profile is going to stay in that beard for that amount of time. So your beard's going to be smelling good. So it's going to be looking good, feeling good, smelling good. Those are three great assets right there. Now, if you're unfamiliar with how to use it, that's okay too. You get whatever amount you need in that little eyedropper top that I showed you. Everybody else is different. There's some people who go just a little dot on each little, you know, pad of your finger, go, we're done. There's other people who be like, man, I just apply it directly, work it in. You find the, you know, the way that works best for you. What I do is just dispense what I need in my hands, start rubbing them together to really warm it up and activate that scent profile, and then you just rub it in all the way right down to your skin and get it into your beard, and then you comb it out. It's that simple. Seriously, it really is. And you're going to have a, you know, nice beard growing. My man-mane's coming back. Those of you remember, I had to take it off a little while ago because the missus went, yeah, gotta go. So, you know, the things we do for love, right? But anywho. Now, here's the fun part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. I really want to know, have you used Barker's beards before? Because I'm really getting hooked on him, and I seriously think he's a massively underrated company. I seriously think he's onto something. And what blew my mind was watching, you know, Saturday Night Hype this last weekend. Cedric from Beard Justice had told Caleb, he was like, hey, my wife commandeered one of your butters the moment it arrived. I'm like, wow, the owner of another beard company's wife confiscated somebody else's product. I'm like, that is just awesome. I'm like, wow. But still, you know, have you used them? Have you had successes? Have you had failures? You know, how do you feel about them? Because I love them. I seriously do. You're going to see more of them here on the channel. You really, truly are. I seriously think they are a hit for me, and they are just an undiscovered gold mine. But now, I can feel myself babbling on about them, so now it's time to do this huge wrap-up, okay? So, for you first-time viewers of the channel, once again, I want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for finding this video. Look, I know there's so many options out there on YouTube, and I'm very grateful for that time that you gave me today. I really, really hope I earn more of it, because I know it's your most precious commodity. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers of the channel who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, here's your second chance at redemption. Look right down there. You're going to see a big old channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy the bell icon or the notification icon, whatever you want to call it. Your choice, your house, your rules. Why? Well, because it's going to let you know every time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos, two are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. And yeah, I'm looking at it, I just realized how badly I screwed up. He also included a really cool thank you card when I ordered. Caleb, bro, I'm sorry for forgetting this until the very end. I really am. I don't know if you're watching it this far, but still. But there we go, guys. My quick look at Barker's Beard's Peppermint Twist Beard Oil. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.